friends. Let's talk about this 7-inch double-din car radio with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, I really like it. First impressions, setup was super duper easy. It's truly plug and play with a suction cup mount. So no tearing apart your dashboard. I popped it right into my golf cart, plugged it in the cigarette lighter, and it was up and running really fast. Wireless CarPlay worked great with my iPhone, and connecting for music and maps was smooth. One important tip though, turn off your Wi-Fi before pairing. This made a huge difference. It gave me the best results when connecting. Once I did that, everything worked the way it should. Now let's talk sound quality with the built-in speakers. They really work, but it's low quality and pretty quiet. If you want better sound quality, hooking up your external speakers or your vehicle's audio system through the auxiliary is definitely the way to go. Once I did that, the sound quality improved a lot and made music way more enjoyable. I also like that it supports Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, and GPS navigation through the CarPlay Android Auto. Hands-free calling and voice commands with Siri works nicely, which is always a plus for safety. Overall, this radio is a great value, especially when you want modern features without replacing your factory system.